All right, this tutorial is number 3 of Adobe Spark, showing you how to add a soundtrack to your video slideshow or your photo slideshow. So at this point, you've added all your 10 photos that have really strong composition and framing. You've recorded high quality voiceover without any background distracting noises. And you're ready to add a soundtrack to kind of add to the emotional tone of your piece. Now, Adobe Spark has music that's already kind of built in. It has a music library. If you come up to this this menu up at the top and click on music, you can click music on. Well, first of all, you can turn it off and not have any music on it. So then you're just going to be hearing your voiceover.
Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said,
okay, no music. Or you can turn it on and you can select from a bunch of different types here. And it's by theme. So if your videos kind of chill and you want to like have a chill vibe, maybe you'd choose one of these songs. So like Warm Pie, what does this sound like? Click on it, it'll load, and you just press play.
Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my tree, and swing from my branches, and eat my apples." And
so that's pretty sweet. I like that. It's acoustic. It's got a guitar in the background, kind of goes with it. You just want to make sure that you don't choose anything that's totally out of the ordinary. Like if I choose this horror movie theme and if my poem's about like something cheerful, it's going to sound off, right? So.
Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my tree, and swing from my branches, and eat."
Right? So that horror movie makes it into like a different genre. So make sure your music matches with the theme and the tone and the mood of your piece. If you don't want to use any of these pre-loaded music, you can add your own. So all you would do is you'd click on Add My Music, and you'd find music in your downloads folder or in your files on your Chromebook. But before you do that, you have to actually save them there. So the way that you would do that is if you're going to the website Free Music Archive. This is a website that allows you to download free music for any kind of like use in films. You can come here, you can search FMA, and you can search by different genre. So I'm going to search, this is like a children's story. So I come up to genres. You can select blues, electronic, hip hop, jazz, pop, whatever you'd like. I'm going to go with experimental music right now. And then there's subcategories. So you could have sound art, you could have field recordings, you could use drone music, all these different types. Let's just go with what's here. So you'd press play. I don't think that really goes with my piece, so keep listening till you find one that matches with your poem. Don't like that. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Maybe I'm going to try instrumental category. Let's try this again. Let's play this. Amber Glow. Sounds okay. It starts a little slow. Here, what about My Tribe? Okay, that's catchy. I think it goes with my music, my poem. So I'm gonna just hit this down arrow, and it's gonna download directly onto my downloads folder in Google Chrome. So just click I understand and agree. So there it goes. It's going to be turn it into an MP3 file, which is a music file. And remember what the name of it is, because that will help you find it easier. So this one's like YYYVKW, something like that. So go back to your Adobe Spark project once you've downloaded your music, and this time you're going to click Add My Music. And I'm going to go into my downloads folder, and there it is, YYJW, whatever. Say open, and it's adding your song right there up at the top in the music library. And you should be able to then play your video slideshow with that song that you've imported. Sometimes it takes a little minute to upload. There it is. So let's see what this sounds like.
Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my tree, and swing from my branches, and eat my apples, and play in my shade, and be happy."
Okay, you get the idea. So fool around until you find the right style, tone of music, the right genre, or choose from one that's already embedded in this program, and you should be good to go.